Ni hao, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about introduction to the final, IONG. When you see the English letter IONG in Pinyin, the pronunciation is yong. Yong is a combination of the Mandarin Chinese E and ong sound. When you pronounce the yong sound, first pronounce the Mandarin Chinese E sound, like the Y in the English word yes, with spread lips, E. Then pronounce the Mandarin Chinese ong sound. Let's try. E, ong, yong. Say yong. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Yong. 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 When the final yong is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as YONG, and they are both pronounced yong. Let's combine the yong sound and the high falling fourth tone, the angry tone, all together. E, ong, yong. Repeat after me. E, ong, yong. 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 Yong is to use in Chinese. Let's combine the initial xi, the final yong, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Xi, yong, xiong. Repeat after me. Xi, yong, xiong. Xiong, xiong, xiong. Xiong is mean in Chinese. Question. When you see IONG and YONG in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is yong. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.